figure below shows 3 diagrams in sequence. Each is being made up of sticks joined at the end by thumbtacks. Okay, so that is the question, and this is the first figure given. Figure 2, figure 3. Now figure 4 is going to be obviously okay. So in each of these figures you will have to find the sticks. So after drawing, so this is the conclusion for the first question. The second question is, how many sticks in the sixth diagram? Okay, now in the first diagram you have 1, 2, 3, 4 sticks. Second diagram 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 sticks. Third one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12 sticks. Naturally in this case you will get 16 because increment is 4, 4, and you will have a 16 here. So the number of sticks, what is the pattern? The number of sticks is equal to 4 times n. So what is n? N is the figure number. So they are asking for the sixth diagram. For n is equal to 6, therefore the number of sticks is equal to 4 times 6 is equal to 24 sticks. Okay, so that's the solution. Now how many thumbtacks are in the seventh diagram? That is the next question. Next question is what? How many thumbtacks in the seventh? Okay. Now for this we will have to go to the table. Now they have given a table. Let me draw the table. So this table will give us that information. So this is going to be number of sticks. Number of sticks is 4, 8 and 12. The rule for connecting, this is the rule for connecting. So 1 plus 3 over 4 times 4, 1 plus 3 over 4 times 8, 1 plus 3 over 4 times 12. This is the rule given. And this one is thumbtacks, number of thumbtacks, TT. I'm going to write it as TT. So you're getting 4 here, you're getting 7 here, and you're getting 10 here. Okay. And the table, it requires we need to complete this 52. What do we get here in 52? what do we get here when it is 55? So these are the two requirements these are the requirements we need to find. Now from here we need to find out a pattern that connects the thumbtacks or the number of thumbtacks being used. So clearly for the in the seventh figure, this is what is required, right? So first we find out the number of sticks. So number of sticks in figure 7 is going to be 4 multiplied with 7, right? 4n. That's going to be 28. Now to get the tax, therefore thumbtacks is going to be 1 positive 3 over 4 times number of sticks. You see that comes here. That's going to be 28. 4 divides here 7 times. 7 times 3 is 21. 21 added with 1 is 22. So 22 is the answer. If we do not know this pattern, it's difficult to find out the number of thumbtacks. Okay, so now let us fill out the values. So what would be the value that is coming over here? I would write this as 1 positive 3 over 4 multiplied with 54. Okay, that's a value that will go there. So what would that be? So I'm going to show the calculation. 1 positive 3 over 4 times 54. So we will have to, it's 52, not 54, this is 52. Okay, 52 is given here, so I should have placed 52 there. So that's the value that is occurring there. Now 4 divides 52 how many times? 1 time we carry 1 3. So it's going to be 1 positive 3 into 13 is 39, added with 1 is 40. So this value is going to be 40. Now I have been given 55. I need to know these values. So how do I get that? So let me write down. So 1 positive 3 over 4 times sum x, okay, is equal to 55. So I need to get the value of x. So push this one to the other side. You get 55 minus 1, which is nothing but 54. So I got 3 over 4 times x is equal to 54. Now 3 divides how many times? 1 time, and 8 3s are 24. 8 should come there. Okay, so you have x over 4 is equal to 18. So therefore what is the value of x? X is equal to 4 3s are 32, 3 and 7. So 72 is a value. So 72 comes over here, and over here is going to be 1 positive 3 over 4 times 72. Okay, that's the completion. So the table is completed, and so the question.